Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 4 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x equal to 9 to the power of x. Divide this equation by 9 to the power of x on both sides. 4 to the power of x by 9 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x by 9 to the power of x equal to 9 to the power of x by 9 to the power of x. This 9 to the power of x and this 9 to the power of x will get cancelled. So we have 4 to the power of x by 9 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x by 9 to the power of x equal to 1. A power n by b power n equal to a by b whole power n. We are going to apply this here and here. 4 to 9 whole power x plus 6 by 9 whole power x equal to 1. Now this 4 can be written as 2 into 2 by this 9 can be written as 3 into 3 whole power x plus this 6 can be written as 2 into 3 by 3 into 3 whole power x equal to 1. This 3 get cancelled this. So we have 2 to the power of 2 by 3 to the power of 2 whole power x plus 2 by 3 whole power x equal to 1. 2 by 3 whole power 2 whole power x plus 2 by 3 whole power x equal to 1. Now we know that a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n equal to a power n whole power m. This will be interchanged here. We are going to apply this here. 2 by 3 whole power x whole power 2 plus 2 by 3 whole power x equal to 1. Let us consider m equal to 2 by 3 whole power x. M square plus m equal to 1. M square plus m, we are bringing left hand side this one, minus 1 equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 1. So m equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 1. So we have minus 1 plus or minus 1 square is 1 within the root. So plus 4 by 2. Now we have 1 plus or minus within the square root 5 by 2. We have 2m here. M equal to minus 1 plus 5 square root by 2. Other m is minus 1 minus 5 root by 2. Recall m equal to 2 by 3 whole power x. So implementing this m here, 2 by 3 whole power x equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. This is the one solution. And other one is 2 by 3 whole power x minus 1 minus 5 square root by 2. If you see this is positive and this is positive. If you add this, so this is positive, this is negative, so it's not real solution. So we are not going to take this m, we are going to take only this 2 by 3 whole power x equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 can be written as root of 5 minus 1 by 2. Take log on both sides. Log 2 by 3 whole power x equal to log root of 5 minus 1 by 2. Implementing log power formula, log m power p equal to p log m. So x log 2 by 3 log root of 5 minus 1 by 2. Divide by log 2 by 3 on both sides. X log 2 by 3 by log 2 by 3 equal to log 5 square root minus 1 by 2 by log 2 by 3. This cancels this, so we have x equal to log square root of 5 minus 1 by 2 by log 2 by 3. So we know the formula that log a by log b equal to log a base b. Based on this, so x equal to log root of 5 minus 1 by 2 within the base 2 by 3. This is the x.